What is up, beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. So it is a beautiful November day. There's Luke the cat, so don't be surprised if he starts screaming. He's a little attention whore. So my plans today were to get Turd Bomb all painted up, but unfortunately FedEx has lost my package, so my fuel tank sealer and stuff is not here yet. So no paint yet on Turd Bomb. So I'm going to enjoy my day doing other things that I love. And one of my other huge hobbies is barbecue. But before we dive into this, I'm going to go close this door because he does not like when he is not getting the attention. Alrighty. So I put on a pork shoulder about 2 hours ago, and it is time to add another log. So I've got this log sitting here warming, and it is time to get it in there. See, got a nice bed of coals. Log in there. Open the door. Good airflow going. That log should catch. Yep, it's starting already. Go ahead and close our firebox. There's our pork shoulder. I keep a probe there so I can monitor the air temps at the grate level. So, I mean, most people grill, some do some barbecuing, but my hobby is competition style barbecue. And I've never done a competition, but I pride myself in putting out like the best quality barbecue I can. So you can never have too much information about what is going on inside your pit and trying to keep a really clean fire. So as you see, my smoke is not thick and heavy. Thick and heavy smoke gives you a very bitter meat. So, and that's with a new log on. Once that log gets going real good, that smoke will go clear, and we're gonna have some good barbecue. So for right now, I'm gonna hop off here, and I will catch back up with you guys in just a little bit. So while the smoker's going, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to attempt to paint this fender. I am by no means a painter. I am horrible at this kind of stuff, but it's Turd Bomb, so I don't care how it comes out. I mean, I'm just trying to protect it from rust. So I'm gonna go ahead, wipe it down with some cleaner, hit it with some primer, and then after that dries, hit it with some paint. So I will time lapse that, and let's see how it comes out. Take a look at our pork, see how she's doing. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Drizzle a little bit of apple cider vinegar on top. Sometimes I use a spray bottle. I don't have a clean spray bottle right now, so I'm just using this. Just a little apple cider vinegar. Helps steam it a little bit. And while we're at it, let's take a look at our fire. See how our fire is doing. Got you guys on the tripod, so fire's looking good. Got a good coal bed going. Here's that good clear smoke I was telling you guys about earlier. I there's actually smoke. There's actually smoke coming out of here right now. If I put my hand over it, you can kind of see it. But it's a good, clean burn. That's what you want. Just sit down, relax, let that paint dry, let this pork keep going, and I'll be back with you guys in just a little bit. So welcome back, everybody, and now it is time to pull our pork shoulder, wrap it in foil, and stick it back on for the last couple hours. At this point, it's taken all the smoke it's gonna take, so we want to wrap it so we can get that internal temp even higher. Right now it's sitting at about 170 degrees. We want to get it close. We want to get it warmer so those intermuscular fibers break down, and then this will turn into pulled pork. So, pull that. Should be on that. I'm gonna take some vinegar, some apple cider vinegar. This is gonna effectively steam it while it's in here. If you look, the fat cap that we started with is almost gone. Some people trim that fat. I like to leave it because that fat's gonna break down and run all over the meat. Alrighty, now I got some brisket stuffed jalapenos from the butcher. I'll set these in there and let those get some smoke on them. Now these, all that needs to cook on them is the bacon, but I'm gonna let them take some smoke. I could put my grate in my firebox and just grill them right there, kind of hot and fast. But I figured, why not? Let's just toss them on. Alright, everybody, so it's time to pull our pork off of the grill and take it in and get that pulled. So, my family's here. I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna enjoy this pork. I'm gonna roll in some footage of the finished product. So what all did we get done today? We got the tank and fender painted. We made some beautiful pork, and not much. Kind of lounged around, had a lazy day. So all right. So here's our final result. I do not put sauce on my barbecue because if you put sauce on your meat, it's usually because you're hiding a bad product. But I do always serve sauce with it. So we've got some white barbecue sauce from a local barbecue place. We really enjoy their sauce. So that effectively ends this video. We are going to go ahead and enjoy dinner. Thanks for watching. Again, I love you all. Like, comment, subscribe. We're out.